Hi, I'm Misty Rains, and I'm so excited to show you Charlotte Harbor's newest luxury waterfront community, Harborside, a waterfront coastal community. Today, I'm here with my friend and realtor, Amy Gonzalez. Amy, with your background in buying and selling in this area, what makes these villas special?
The villas are very special because you have an at-home feel with an open floor plan, and there's very little maintenance.
What kind of buyers do you think would be interested in these?
I think a buyer that likes to have a patio and an outdoor feel, as well as one that just wants to relax and not have a bunch of maintenance.
Many buyers aren't aware of new construction. What are some benefits going down that route?
Well, there are many, many benefits. One of the main benefits is it's built to the highest code standards. So you have high impact windows, you have all the safety features, metal roof.
I've come to love both the coastal and contemporary design in this community. Do those seem very on trend to you?
Absolutely. These condos are just beautiful.
What spaces in this floor plan do you like best?
I especially love how the patio opens up with a zero-turn slider, creating another space into your home and giving you space outside as well.
And right now, we're offering amazing promotions on our villas and condominium residences here at Harborside. Please give me a call, Misty Rains, at 941-724-1989, or visit me online at mistyrains.com.